Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting new release in the world of midsize SUVs, the 2025 GMC Acadia. This latest model has been completely reimagined, and we're here to break down everything from its bold exterior to its powerful performance, high-tech safety features, and what makes it stand out in a crowded segment. So let's get into it. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Acadia sports a more aggressive and truck-like appearance compared to its predecessor, aligning it more closely with GMC's rugged design language. It's larger overall with a longer wheelbase and wider stance, giving it a more commanding presence on the road. A revised grille, signature C-shaped LED headlights, and sharper body lines bring a more modern upscale feel, while trims like the AT4 add off-road-ready touches like skid plates and all-terrain tires. Inside, the interior of the Acadia has taken a significant leap forward. The cabin is more spacious thanks to the vehicle's increased dimensions, offering 3 rows of seating with improved legroom and cargo space. Premium materials, a sleek dashboard layout, and a massive 15-inch portrait-style touchscreen infotainment system dominate the tech-focused interior. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital gauge cluster, and available heads-up display push the Acadia firmly into luxury territory, especially in the Denali trim. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Acadia gets a new 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 328 horsepower and 326 lb-ft of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain offers a responsive and smooth driving experience, whether you're commuting or heading off the beaten path. Available all-wheel drive and the terrain mode in the AT4 variant give you confidence in a variety of driving conditions. On the safety front, GMC has loaded the Acadia with advanced features, making it one of the most secure SUVs in its class. Standard safety includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims add features like a surround view camera system, enhanced parking assist, and GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving system, available on select roads. As for unique selling points, the 2025 Acadia stands out with its combination of upscale design, family-friendly practicality, and rugged versatility. The inclusion of GM's latest tech, like Super Cruise and a 15-inch touchscreen, positions it as one of the most advanced SUVs in the midsize segment. Plus, the off-road capable trim and the luxurious Denali trim ensure there's an Acadia for every kind of driver. When it comes to price, the 2025 GMC Acadia starts around $39,000 for the base elevation trim and climbs to the mid-$50 cars for the fully loaded Denali and AT4 trims, depending on options and packages. In conclusion, the 2025 GMC Acadia is a major step forward for GMC's midsize SUV, blending bold looks, cutting-edge technology, strong performance, and a spacious premium interior. Whether you're looking for a family hauler or a capable road trip companion, the new Acadia is definitely worth a test drive. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more auto content. See you in the next video.